Hi, my name's Haley,
And I'm Nicole.
and the topic that we chose was stress management. You're going to need a few materials for this. You're going to need a piece of paper, a pen or a pencil, and your brain. The purpose of this lesson is to help health educators learn stress management techniques and convey these techniques to their students. The objectives are to teach health educators about stress, ensure health educators understand ways to manage stress, and make sure health educators will be able to convey stress management to students.
What is stress? Stress is the normal reaction the body has when changes occur. Physical responses to stress are short-term reactions such as headaches, upset stomachs, and sleeping problems. Emotional responses are long-term reactions such as depression, anxiety, and panic attacks. So how is stress caused? Well, stress can be due to personal problems, social problems, and traumatic events. Some personal problems include your health, relationships, or money. Social problems include your occupation, discrimination, or your environment. And traumatic events include something such as PTSD.
Methods to manage stress. The first method is negative to positive, which is just changing your mindset. The second method is emergency stress stoppers, which includes removing yourself from the situation or counting to 10. And the third is stress busting activities, which would include working out and meditating. At this point, we're going to ask you to pause the video and make a list of 5 coping strategies that you have. Creating a stress management plan. The first step is to start with identifying your sources of stress. We're going to ask you again to pause the video and write down a list. You can write one or you can do more of sources of stress in your life. The second step is to evaluate your coping strategies. At this time, we're going to ask you to pause the video again, and we're going to ask you to reflect on the coping strategies you wrote down the first time and relate them to the sources of stress that you wrote down the second time. The third step is implementing new strategies or staying consistent with old ones. Now we're going to test you on the information you just learned. Pause at each slide to think of your answer before the answer comes up.
Which of the following are examples of emotional reactions towards stress? A, upset stomach. B, anxiety. C, panic attacks. D, both B and C. Or E, all of the above. The answer is D.
Which of these activities can be used to manage stress? A, painting. B, working out. C, removing yourself from the situation. D, meditation. E, reading a book. Or F, all of the above. The answer is F, all of the above.
True or false? Headaches, upset stomachs, and sleeping problems are long-term physical reactions to stress. This is false. These reactions are short-term.
I don't know how to stop the